Hugos being taken apart. Just for my YouTubers, Callum is taken. Shouldn't have said that. Hugo officially has no driver or passenger seat. Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on Hugo, the Mighty 500. Today I'm going to be removing the carpet. In order to do that, we've got to move the driver, passenger and rear seats. Manly man Callum is stood over there. He's going to be helping us today because I need a little bit of help. So yeah, we're going to be doing that in this video, and then next video we will be putting a new carpet in. But Hugo's not going to be used, so we'll probably have to just push him back because the driver's seat and passenger seat will be removed today. So he won't actually be, I won't be able to drive Hugo from today onwards. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. So we got to remove the seats, these 4 screws here either side, center console has got to be removed, and rear seats and little Hugo there. So our first job is center console.
Center console. Let's go.
Let's go. So first things first, we got to undo these 4 screws here, both sides. Callum's working on the other side now, so I'm going to undo these a bit quick. Then we'll take the center console out next. If I can get to it. There we go. Right, so we've got 3 screws, one in the middle between our levers and one at front. Callum is battling them right now. I probably will look at having the handbrake painted up as well. Just give it a bit of a, yeah, easy. I want to change the gear knob, and Hugo will be having a new fresh screw. Hugo will be having a new steering wheel as well. Nice wooden steering wheel to match the interior.
It's gonna be a difficult one, this one.
Yeah, just push the handles down. Yeah. Use the longer screwdriver. Thank you. Get it right in there.
That one was quite loose. I pushed that down and that literally went down in its case.
Yeah, I don't think that was that good. Next one over there. There we go. One more. It's gonna be. We're gonna have people helping me do this all the way through because it's just gonna make life easier.
Can't do it on your own, though, can you?
No.
Well, I mean, you could, but it would take a while.
Right. So center console. You simply pull the handles up. I've had this one out a few times because I've washed it and everything. There we go. And that is the center console out. Thank you. Passenger seat. Callum has just slid it off. This slider's not bad. I know the driver was a little bit worse. There you go. Right, put them in the carport for now. Hugo's being taken apart. We need WD-40. And we should have some WD-40 here somewhere. I tried to find WD-40 and I cannot find WD-40.
Jake's currently looking for WD-40.
Why are you filming?
That's Ray.
Hello, Ray. Just for my YouTubers, Callum is taken. So center console, also that is the mat out of the Hugo's bonnet. And that's where most of his stuff will be stored. And we've got WD-40 for the driver's seat. Right, Callum, here you go. You do WD-40, I'll pull the seat forward. Right. Oh, I've got to take the seat back out as well.
Why do you want it like that?
Yeah, all over it. Don't worry about the carpet. Right, plan is we are going to zip tie the handle that allows you to adjust the seat because it's completely rusted in. So I'm going to zip tie the handle open, then use a magical hammer, and the hammer should help it release it. So let's see. There you go, zip tied. Yeah, let's move it. Done. Right, lift him out. There you go. Hugo officially has no driver or passenger seat. Right, put him with the other. What? Don't scratch the car. There we go, that is another seat out. I want one of them in my bedroom now. Oh, I might even put one up there for now. Just sitting in the corner, you know. Right. So, next job. Right, we got to remove the gear gaiter.
Okay.
And then it's just the rear seat.
Let me get into a more comfortable position.
Comfortable position. Right, give me screws so we don't lose screws.
What's that?
A piece of wood. So I'm hoping to remove the carpet and we won't find any suspicious rust holes. Yes, hopefully.
And if it's just rust, it's just going to be surface rust.
Yeah, it's not going too serious. I don't know, you showed me a picture the other night, I was quite impressed. Right, toolkit is out for seatbelt. Open it up. Dun dun dun. Oh, that's screws that for a 911 rear spoiler. Some bolts, yes, they gotta go. I'll probably put them in storage. Also, I've had this toolkit for ages, does the job, does everything I need to with Hugo. So we are removing that bolt there, this one here, and here. Hugo will have new seat belts. Yeah, he hasn't got passenger seat belts yet, but by the time he comes out next year, he will have proper seat belts that Callum, the seat belts will not be black.
No.
Yep. That was easy. We got to remove the seat belt because I got to get the carpet out and there, so we won't need that seat belt ever again because he will have new seat belts by the time he is back out. Not that I really wore a seat belt over this car. Shouldn't have said that. By the way, anything in this video does not relate to Hugo, possibly I'm a sister.
Ooh.
Oh, big news right there.
Teaser.
1970s iPhone. Wow. Right. We gotta remove this one like this, and that releases the seat, in which releases that. I'm not looking forward to looking behind this because when I had the rusty blue one, I found a lot of mice droppings. But look at the rear seats. So I gotta remember how these unhook now. By the way, there is the bolts for the rear shockers. Can you see the bolts for the rear shockers in there? So yeah, we won't touch them. So if you want to release a bolt, do not release those bolts because that is for the shockers, Callum. Okay? Right, rear seats are coming out. This one comes out, so remove that one please, Callum. Put in with the others. Have a look at the foam underneath.
Good look at the springs underneath.
Yeah, they look alright. They're not too rusted, which is nice to know.
Doing a bit of TLC, but
no, that's fine.
that's what it's all about.
That's all good. Remove it then, Callum. That was easier. It turns out it wasn't bolted in properly on that side. So these rear seats at some point had a new bolt here and it's not been bolted down properly. So that's now been done. Also, there doesn't seem to be any rust here, which is also very good. We will also remove these now, Callum. I'm dreading moving these.
So they just pull straight out.
And you can see a bit of the wiring loom down there. And a bumper of a 124 Fiat 500. That's a model car I bought. I lost the bumper ages ago. There you go, there's the wiring loom. And there you go. There's a little gap there, but no serious rust. Also, removing all this gives us ideas for the sister. Messy. There we go. You can also get these in a dark tan colour to match the interior, which I will be doing. Also, I have arachnophobia, so if we find these spiders and I leg it, you know why. Ooh, 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 okay. That come off a little bit easier than expected. So we found this around the rear shock.
It looks worse on camera than it does.
It does actually look worse on camera. It's a little bit surface rust, but I will get it checked out. I'll get one of my friends up here to check that one out. But up here looks okay. This doesn't look too bad. Obviously that's the inner. You can check the sills out. The sills look okay. Bit of popped up stuff there, but nothing too serious. But the carpet. There's a screw either side for the carpet, so undo these and it should come out. So literally all we got to do is just pull the corners. It's actually probably better, Callum, if we go from the back, because we can pull it over the gear stick and then pull it that way. That way it goes around the pedals. So let's just... Oh, okay. Lift your lift your bits out. There you go. Right, now, go your way now. There we go. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Let's have a look. First reveal. Where there's water build up.
Oh yeah, I can see it dripping off the carpet.
Yeah, so how's that come in? Because the car's in the dry all the time over that. So how's the water getting in here? I don't know.
It might be water, but it might be oil. I don't know.
There's
What's
no...
that? That's a receipt.
Oh, yes, please. We have just found a receipt.
It might have a date on it.
£6.30 Resto. It's in Italian. 0207 2011 1042. As for the floor, the back's not too bad, but yeah, I would love to know where that water build-ups come from.
Because you can see it, because you know that the water's coming in at the front, because it's all rusted at the front and the back. It's not bad.
No, the mounting points don't look great. We will have a look at the sills. Sills have been done. They're not the original sills. In fact, yeah, I've got someone's opinion on that, but they don't look original. But the mounting points, this is just surface rust. It's that tar stuff. Ain't too bad.
Solid, which is good.
Sounds solid. They do look like their new floors. This is quite
That's
treating. Needs treating.
So that's just that tar stuff again.
Up here as well, look. Either side, same points. Oh, that's not even connected. Screw that. We might have to get the UV in here before the new carpet comes. But there's the wire loom. You can see going outside that. These need to come off next time as well, both sides, because we're going to replace door handles on these here. But yeah, there we go.
The wiring loom.
Yeah, the wiring loom looks fairly good. Okay, I've just removed this plate because I was interested just to see. I've never actually seen underneath one of these, but yeah, there you go. So you got your wires, your brake cables, everything like that. That's for the air conditioning, and you can actually see. Let's get that one in there. So that's shut, that's open, and that is what lets the air in and out. How cool is that? Mind you, it brings all the fumes and the fuel smell, but still, that's very cool. Well, this is interesting. I can't even see over the steering wheel. I can't see over the steering wheel. Right, let's do this. A success, don't you?
I call that great success.
Great success. So we've removed all of this. And I will be using the seat frames, just changing the covers. New carpet, of course, which I'll be ordering Tuesday. Centre console will just be tarted up, cleaned up and everything. I want to keep that. That'll probably be going. As for the covers and that, they will just go in storage because I'll probably have another Fiat 500 at some point. But there we go. Look at that. That is... Hugo.
I call that a brilliant success, actually.
The carpet came out a lot easier than I thought it would.
Oh God, yeah.
All the screws and everything have been put away.
Happy. Very, very happy.
I will have someone come up and have a look at that rear shock, but a lot of it is just surface rust. But any treatment we will do to the rust anyway. And yeah, that's stupid light again. So we will just get any rust treated and everything like that.